Hello, David here. So I know I haven't made a video in quite some time. I've been really busy. We have all these crazy events we've been going to and traveling all over the state. But I want to make another video just so we can keep getting this information out there. I met a lot of individuals who didn't even know what CBD was for the first. People that did know what CBD was, either they've already tried it before and it didn't work for them, which we hear on a daily basis. And if that's you, stay tuned because we're going to talk about that. And individuals who, for whatever reason, just assume that they can't use it, that it gets them high, that it's illegal. So there's all these misconceptions about what CBD is and how it works, what it does in your body, and who can and cannot use it. So technically, it's the brother, sister, cousin of the psychoactive compound in the cannabis plant. But we're not going to get into too many difficult technical terms, but we're going to talk about how it works and what it does for you. And also the many methods of ingestion that you can utilize your CBD medication with, and anybody can use it. It's safe for the whole family, your pets, your children, yourself, your grandparents, your parents. It doesn't matter, and the whole family can use this, and it'll just serve as a deterrent for illnesses and diseases and our aging process. Now, the methods of ingestion, there's sublingual tinctures that you take orally under your tongue, which are the most medicinal, I would say. We have a tremendous, wonderful line of different variations, flavors, and concentrations. Really top of the line. We have made it our mission to go out there and find all the best top quality products that are out there so that we can bring them to you, and you don't have to worry that if you're getting a subpar product, a diluted product, or no CBD product at all, which has been the case. We have seen numerous times, more than I would care to mention. And then, so we recommend using a sublingual tincture that we have in our office and on our online website. We are in the Tucumcari area right now. We just finished the Fired Up event, which was yesterday, and there's somebody coming in. All right, sorry about that, guys. So, like we were saying, the sublingual tinctures are the preferred method of ingestion. However, for whatever reason, you just don't remember, it's hard, you don't like it, whatever the case may be, that method of ingestion isn't suitable for you, we have various others. Like we have gel caps that are easy to swallow. If you're used to taking medications like pharmaceutical pills or vitamins, it's really great. You can take one a day and you would get your adequate dose of CBD that you would need every single day. Now we do have edibles also in the form of like gummies and chocolate bars and like honey sticks, various gummies too. There are different flavors and shapes and sizes. And then if you don't like that method of ingestion, we do have like vapable products and smokable CBD, which is, people don't really understand so much, but if you come into our office or look on our website, you're gonna get some information on what all that is. And if you come into our office, we'll actually show it to you and explain even more in detail exactly what the difference is and why it looks exactly like marijuana. And so then after you, if the vaping and the smoking isn't good for you, I mean, we do have topicals. If you just do not want to ingest it into your body, we do have topicals and creams and rubs and salves. We have bath bombs. We even have some cosmetic products like shampoo and conditioner, facial and body wash, and so even like chapstick and lip gloss. As long as you're getting CBD into your body somehow, some way, it is going to be beneficial for you. Now, when it comes to prices, I know for a fact that we have the best prices for the best top quality CBD products that you can find out there. And I know this because we've been doing this for so long, and I research my competition to see not only their prices, but what products they're using, because there's thousands of products out there. And we, again, like I said before, made it our mission to, clear the fog of all of these products that are just scouring the market, that are subpar. They're, again, I'm not going to go through the whole spiel about all the bad products, but we put those to the side and we only find the best top quality. Out of 650 stores, we only picked 4 or 5 that passed our standards. So, you know, we have some really high standards, our own regulations that we do, because there's no regulations yet, so it's kind of like wild, wild west. If you're in Tucumcari and you saw us at the Fired Up, or you couldn't make it, or you want to get some product but you didn't have the cash at the time, you can go onto our website, nmbriefrelief.com. But again, Lorettas Burrito Hut usually has the major products that you would need, like the tinctures and some rubs. But if she doesn't have it, we can put it in an order and either send it to you right away or ensure that she'll have it the next time we go around. If you have any questions, just please give us a call, comment, like this video, if you share with everybody you know, so that everybody can see that this is an option for you, legal in all 50 states. As long as you're getting it from a reputable source, you have no worries about getting THC or any bad products that's going to get you high, stoned, or even dirty. If you're still worried about that, we have some CBD isolate that has no other cannabinoids in it, including the THC, that 0.3% or less that needs to be inside a hemp product. So if you're really concerned about that, we have some great isolate for you that'll work just fine to help you with whatever you're looking to alleviate. We're in Albuquerque, New Mexico, 4730 Pan American East Freeway, next to Nexus Brewery and Restaurant. And in Espanola, we just moved locations, 1109 North Riverside Drive, next to the Verizon and Baskin-Robbins store. That's next to the Walgreens. Big white building. It has blue trimming now, but that'll be green really soon. And we're super excited because we're going to be able to offer a lot more services down there. So check that out. And again, hope you have a good weekend. Hope you have a good week. Till next time, I'm David. Devin's over there in the back doing all the things in the background like she always does, keeping it going, keeping these wheels moving, being able to keep going and helping folks like you live a happier, healthier, better quality of life. Till next time, I'm David. Bye.